Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge and Print Storage, and today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in onyx black and it looks fantastic. You do have the Dodge logo with that chrome accenting right there, and halogen quad headlamps which are very bright, and you do have the fog lights just down there as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims here, and our tires, we got tons of tread still left on them. Those tires are very nice with that black and the silver accenting. You do have black heated exterior mirrors right there as well, and coming all the way to the back, we do also have our Grand Caravan logo and Dodge logo with our backup camera right there, and as long as it's unlocked, all you gotta do is lift it right up. Okay, in the back here we have tons of room, lots and lots. You also got additional storage right in here. Now they are stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is you gotta follow the instructions. So this is number 1. Number 2 is down here. 3 is right here. And 4 is right here. That folds it right down like that, gives you tons more room, and you can do the same with the other side and the fronts, or the middle seats there. You got lots and lots of room for storage. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have your panic button up there, but let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. And you do have the back window, the back windows that open up, and you have the third row windows as well. They all open, which is very nice. You have a bit of chrome accenting. And you do also have a black right here. It is leather, very soft to put your arm on. You do have some storage right here and some additional right down there with a cup holder. Lots of room in here, very comfortable. It is a leather seat as well. Nice and squishy, good on long car trips. You do have your electric seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support right there. And right over here we do have the controls of our lights, so our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as you push in for your fog lights. And this guy right here is the controls over our in-cabin lights. And then we also have this guy here, which is our turning signals, our high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We do also have the middle there, which does tell us how many kilometers, which is only 4,000, not very many. You also got your trip A and your trip B, as well as your distance till empty, the kilometers you're going, the liters per 100 kilometers, and the temperature outside. That is all controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have a volume up and down for your radio. Just is always nice to keep your hands on the steering wheel. Now, as well, you got your gear shift here, and when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. Keeps you nice and safe. In the center, we do have a 6.4-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM. You got your voice recognition and your call-out button here for your Bluetooth options. You also have your radio right over there, and you got your media options right here, if you do have one hooked up through a hard disk drive, through your disc, through aux cord, or any of those guys. You have your volume up and down with your off here, and then you can also press that guy to load a CD right in there, or a DVD for the back entertainment system. You got your menu right here, you got your audio, you have your files. If you do have files put right into the vehicle, which is really cool, you can just put them through USB and upload them on there. It's really nice. And then you also have a aux cord plug-in right there. And then down here we do have where it's our climate control and where it's going to blow out of. Our dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels. You have the power right here with the circulation and the defrost right over here. Rear climate control here, your econ mode. This guy here's your hazard lights, your power button, and you also have this guy right here, which is your traction control. Got a bit of additional storage right down there, and this guy does open up like that, and then you got some plugins here as well. You got your cup holders here, and then you do also have some additional storage in this one. And then there is some more storage just under there, you can see it. And then over here we do have a dual layer glove box, so you got your top layer and a locking bottom layer right there as well. So if it was locked up, don't want to be able to get into it if they did break in. And then you also have your sunglass holder that does have a mirror on it, so you can see yourself. Okay, let's take a look here. Open this guy up. Lots and lots of room back here. It's leather as well, same as the front. And you also have your rear climate control here, and you have your 9-inch entertainment or your video screen here, which is very nice. You get your controller. Keeps you nice and entertained. Now they are stow and go seats as well, so what all you gotta do is you just gotta pull this guy right here and lift it up just like that, and then you just gotta pull this one and everything folds down just like that. Then you can fold this right over top just like this, and it lays flat, and you can do the same with the back and all of them, and then you got tons and tons of room. Back here as well, you do have some cup holders, and right on the other side there, we do also have the plugins for our entertainment system. So you have some USB, some AVG plugins, and all of those guys, so you can hook up a game system if you did want. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.